So guys, Philip, we are 204 kilometers away. Maghintay ka lang. Andiyan na kami.
We're coming.
Welcome, Netherlands.
Pero masarap.
Kung lasa?
Lasang purple.
Lasang purple.
Lasang ube nga. Lasang ube nga siya.
Hindi nga kasi. Ubing in order.
Parang pinigit tuloy ako. Linger lang!
Hindi ko ba yun?
Ako na mag-a-adjust sa vlogger natin.
Ito po ang ating kimchi ribeye.
I-half ko para makatingin kayo.
Very yolky pa.
Let me,
So guys, tapos na po kaming kumain. Review. Anong review nyo?
Busog. Lusog.
Lusog.
Oh, maapa. Straight from Indonesia. From yung mga spices, other things, gold. They get it and they gather it here. Diretso tayo. They gather it here. And with the ships, they just go here. And then you see at the top of those of the
Building.
houses, there's like this hook, and it goes down. They can get their stuff.
yeah.
They can bring it upstairs. Those houses.
Laging tatandaan, ang buhay ay
Weather.
Alam niyo maganda dito guys, kahit nasa city ka, amoy halaman pa rin. Kaya very organic, very healthy. Hindi nila nakakalimutan ang nature.
Kahit wala mga trees.
Don't panic, it's organic.
Ngayon, it's very busy. We have a lot of, if you can see, here, there, maraming mga events going on, shows. This palace right there, but now they're in The Hague, but it was the previous one. It's now on show. And this is just where everything happens in Amsterdam. There we have the very busy street of Damrak. And it goes further into the Kalverstraat. Right there we see is broken, and that's where you can get the metro. It's very open.
Saan po tayo pupunta, Brother Philip?
We're going to Westergasfabriek. It's in Amsterdam West.
In Amsterdam West.
And there right now we have the rolling kitchens, meaning moving kitchens. So
We traveled 300 kilometers just to eat food.
Hindi ko alam anong sasabihin ko, pero andito sila ate, kuya.
Ang vlog takeover po ni Philip. Ang vlog takeover ni Philip.
Guys, it's time to eat some food here in the rolling kitchen.
Kaya bigla siya sumikat.
Ate Apple, kumusta ka na?
Nakahiyain. Sabi na tayo. O tara sa uba. Maganda doon. Yeah. Tapos, mga tatlong ganun.
Oo nga. 30 euro na. Magkano ba yun?
25 euro guys for 25 seconds na swing. G or ano?
Ayaw ko.
Deal or no
Ayaw
deal?
kong mahulog. Every night in my dream I see